Hello everyone, so welcome to the channel Only for Human Queen. And this is the question paper of 2020 basically, which was held in 31st January 2021 of CTET. And this is paper 1 and the code was K. Series were different, they were J, K, L, M. And this is the booklet series. It had 56 printed pages and it was, I guess, overall an easy exam to crack. And these were the instructions: 2.5 hours as usual, 150 minutes and 150 questions, 30 questions in each section of mathematics, CDP, environment science, and English and Hindi and any other language. So these were the basic instructions. And now we will begin with the solving part 1, child development and pedagogy. So as you can see, this is the part 1 of Bal Vikas, that is child development and pedagogy. And this first question is: in order to address learners from diverse backgrounds, a teacher should, I guess the best option here is draw examples from diverse settings. And the next one is: problem solving abilities can be facilitated by focusing on drill and practice. यानी कि समस्या समाधान क्षमताओं को किस प्रकार सुसाध्य किया जा सकता है लगातार अभ्यास और कार्यान्वयन पर जोर देकर. Next one is: in order to address the needs of students who are facing learning difficulties, a teacher should not practice rigid structures for pedagogy and assessment. So this is the right option, option second for the third question. Next one is: dash is a primary identifying feature of creativity. The main feature which creative students have is divergent thinking, and here the option 4 is the correct option for fourth question. Fifth question is: which of the following is most effective mode of teaching learning? So fourth one is the right one: exploration of relationships between concepts. Sixth question is: a teacher should analyze the various errors made by students on a given task because understanding of errors are meaningful in the teaching learning process. Fourth option is the best one for the sixth question. The next one is: motivation to learn can be sustained by the last one is the correct option for this: focusing on mastery oriented goals. So when the students will have a focus to master his goal in life, then it is better for a long term sustainable goal for studying. Next is shame. Shame can have negative impact on cognition. So the fourth option is the right one for the eighth question. Ninth question is: constructive view of learning suggests that children play an active role in construction of their own knowledge. So the first option is the right one. Which of the following belief is good for learning? Ability is improvable. That is the third option for 10th question. Next one is: conceptual understanding among students is likely to improve in the settings which emphasize on inquiry and dialogue. That is the second option is the right one. In Hindi also you can look at the number of the options and correct yourself. It is difficult for children to learn when information is presented in disconnected chunks. That is the third option. Best state of learning is moderate arousal, no fear, which means संतुलित उत्तेजना कोई भय नहीं. That is 13th का first option. In 14th question, individual differences in development of children can be attributed to interplay of heredity and environment. As usual, this year also CTET asked this question of heredity and environment. And the next one is: during a task, Saina is talking to herself about ways she can proceed on the task. So according to Lev Vygotsky ideas on language and thought, this kind of private speech is a sign of self-regulation. That is option 4. In 16th question, evaluation practices should aim at identifying students' needs and requirements. That is option first. After observing that students are struggling to proceed further on an ongoing activity, a teacher decides to provide cues and hints in the form of what, why, how. According to Lev Vygotsky theory, this strategy of teacher will act as scaffolding for learning, which is option fourth. Next one is, after getting hurt during a play activity, Rohan started crying. Seeing this, his father responded, "Don't behave like girls. Boys don't cry." This statement by the father reflects gender stereotype. That is, third option is the right one. In a progressive classroom, ample opportunities should be provided for construction of knowledge. Option A is the right one. That is first option. According to Lawrence Kohlberg theory, performing an act and doing something because others approve it represents, I guess, its conventional stage. Most of the YouTubers are saying conventional, but in this question paper, I marked pre-conventional stage as I remember the good boy and good girl stage. Next one is, which of the following is correct in the context of socialization of children? So the third option is the right one for this question. The school is the secondary socialization agent and the family is the primary socialization agent. Second, in this question, the first option is the right one. There are several forms of intelligences according to the multiple intelligence theory. Next one is, pre-operational stage in Jean Piaget theory of cognitive development characterizes centration in thought. Because all of the other options was not matching, so fourth one is the right one. Which of the following statement is correct in context of development? So the development is multidimensional. Second option. Lev Vygotsky social cultural perspective of learning emphasize importance of cultural tools in learning processes. In his theory of cognitive development, Jean Piaget explains cognitive structures in the term of schemas. That is second option. In an inclusive classroom, emphasis should be on providing opportunities aiming at maximizing potential of individual children. Next one is, according to Right of Person with Disability Act, that is PW Act 2016, which of the following term is appropriate to use? So the student with physical disability, that is the first option. Sequence of development among children from birth to adolescence is sensory, concrete, and then abstract. So the third one is the right option for K series. Next one is, individual differences in a progressive classroom should be treated as important for planning of teaching learning process, because according to the individual differences we can see and recognize that what plan is right according to our class students. So this was it for CDP, and I will give you all the answers for 2020 CTET exam. Just look at the other videos, and in the description I have always given the link of other videos. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you have done well, and comment below what is your score in CDP.